Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Vertex's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Vertex has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Thank you. Vertex is a leading biotechnology company known for its innovative treatments for serious diseases like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell disease. In Q2 2025, Vertex reported a total revenue of $2.96 billion, marking a 12% increase compared to the same quarter last year. This growth is driven by the strong performance of their CF therapies and the successful launches of ALYFTREK, JOURNAVX, and CASGEVY.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Vertex reported a total revenue of $2.96 billion for Q2 2025, which is a 12% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this revenue growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by the continued strong performance of Vertex's cystic fibrosis therapies and the early contributions from their new product launches, ALYFTREK, JOURNAVX, and CASGEVY. In the U.S., revenue increased by 14% due to strong patient demand and favorable gross-to-net adjustments. Internationally, revenue grew by 8% across multiple geographies.
And what about profitability? How did Vertex perform in terms of net income and earnings per share?
Vertex reported a non-GAAP net income of $1.2 billion, a significant turnaround from the net losses reported in the same quarter last year. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $4.52, which is well above the forecasted $3.74 by 11 analysts. This indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Vertex's operational efficiencies. How have they managed their expenses, and what does their cash position look like?
Vertex has done an excellent job in managing their expenses. Their combined R&D and SG&A expenses were $1.2 billion, significantly lower than the previous year due to the absence of large acquisition-related expenses. They also have a strong cash position, with $12 billion in cash, cash equivalents, and marketable securities, which provides them with ample liquidity to support future growth initiatives.
Looking ahead, what is Vertex's outlook for the rest of the year?
Vertex has reiterated their full-year revenue guidance of $11.85 to $12 billion, driven by continued growth in their CF portfolio and the global launch of ALYFTREK. They are also advancing their pipeline with several clinical programs in pivotal development stages. Additionally, there's a planned transition in their leadership, with Mark Bunigi set to succeed David Altshuler as the Chief Scientific Officer in 2026.
Product launches and pipeline progress. Vertex has been quite active with their product launches and pipeline advancements. Can you elaborate on the progress of their key products and clinical programs?
Certainly, ALYFTREK, their newest CFTR modulator, has received approvals in Europe and Canada, expanding its reach. CASGEVY, a gene-edited cell therapy, has treated 115 patients globally, showing promising results in reducing crises for sickle cell disease and transfusion requirements for beta thalassemia. JOURNAVX, their non-opioid pain medication, has seen over 110,000 prescriptions filled since its launch. Vertex is also making significant strides in their pipeline, with advancements in CF, sickle cell disease, type 1 diabetes, and other areas.
Key takeaways. In summary, Vertex has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025, with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic product launches and robust pipeline position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts on Vertex as an investment prospect?
Vertex's strong financial performance, coupled with their innovative product pipeline and strategic market expansions, make them a compelling investment opportunity. Their ability to consistently deliver on their guidance and advance their clinical programs is a testament to their operational excellence.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Vertex's performance in the comments below. Until next time.